God is telling to you, sweet child, that you have a victory-filled road. Every obstacle you encounter is a step closer to realizing your dream rather than a setback. Fulfilled, keep in mind that I'm constantly by your side. I have been a part of every victory and every adversity alongside you. Constant guidance to help comprehend that this fear isn't possess any influence over you and your heart. Acknowledge that you are strong. Bravery and capacity to accomplish your biggest objectives. You have the means to attain your objectives. No ambition or goal is too huge or too lofty for you to accomplish. You must win my heart, and your diligence will ensure that nothing can truly get in your way. Consider the obstacles as challenges to be overcome rather than as opportunities to improve. Each of them increases your intelligence and draws you nearer to the eye of prosperity and success in store for you as you navigate today's unknowns. And tomorrow, remain vigilant and have faith that I will hold your hand tightly and have the strength and knowledge to overcome them. Have faith in my abilities and skills, provided you with the instruments you need to create the life you choose. So don't let you are my cherished child, therefore don't let anyone pull you down or doubt your abilities. You are unique in every manner, thus in any situation, my sincerest hope is that you will be diligent in all that you do, and don't worry about failing. It's simply a lesson to be learned. Let life's lessons not defeat you, but rather inspire you to rise to new heights. Always remember that moving on from the past and letting go of it is the route to greatness. Moving on with even more drive built by each person's diligence and resolve. The challenges you overcome fortify you and prepare you for the wonderful things ahead. But never forget who you are, fated not just for success but also for an extensive list of achievements. Instead of allowing obstacles to deter you, let them motivate you to move forward. Your heart is powerful and determined, and you possess the inherent capacity to reach heights. Cling to your objectives, and observe as each issue becomes a significant opportunity for you to learn things that will be helpful in the future. To trust me and believe that you can accomplish your goals with greater strength and wisdom. Shall always have my utmost assistance. Keep in mind that you are never alone in this route. Cherish each second and instruction because they are significant components of the intricate fabric of your life. Do not allow doubts to undermine your fidelity. Cling to my word, and you'll discover that having faith in my assurances makes you superior to what you believe to be your limitations. The journey could be filled with challenges, but each one offers a priceless opportunity for character development. You must challenge yourself to go outside your comfort zone and advance with courage. You are stronger than you realize, and every step will get you closer. And more competent than you realize. Given your faith in my abilities more than you believe, you were designed to shine and accomplish all of your goals. Thoughts to you are brimming with potential, and a plethora of opportunities await you. Your confidence in me and your faith in me will be the keys to your success, and wealthy people put their trust in me, and when things go your way, you'll know when to bolster your faith to raise your expectations and receive the blessings I have in store for you. Increase your prayer frequency, and if you put your complete faith, love, and commitment in me, we can overcome any obstacle that blocks your path to contentment and pleasure, since that's what I truly want for you: to achieve whatever you desire in life, as well as a fantastic future filled with success. My loved child, never forget that I am here for you, and please don't give up if things get difficult. Things don't go as planned, but as long as you try, you won't fail. Enjoy every step you take, because I can assure you that you'll get closer to your objective. With all of my heart that you will fulfill your aspirations and reach your objectives. Genuine forward motion, and you'll complete all of your goals. I send you things that touch your heart because I love you so much. I adore you so much, and the reason I'm asking you to listen to me is despite your busy schedule, I humbly ask that you give my remarks some thought today. I hope you will take a moment to read what I have to say, as it will resonate deeply with you. You are aware that no matter where you are, what cardiac issues you may have, or whatever difficulties you face, I will always be by your side and never far away. Unwavering companion in knowing that I'll be by your side at every turn, providing you with information in this new chapter of your life that can improve your mood even when you feel as though people have forgotten or underestimated you. Even if everything goes wrong, my love for you will remain strong and unwavering. Their backs on you or your pals drift away, keep in mind that I'm always here to wait. I promise to always love you and be by your side, as dependable and as cozy as the air you breathe or the gentle breeze on your face. It asserts that no viewpoint or assessment on earth can ever be. You need no one because you are stronger than what I have spoken about you, my little kid. Praise from others, as everything in this life is fleeting, and will have faith and hope in me in the end. I promise not to disappoint you. In love, there is only unwavering affection and profound gifts, there is never treachery. That they are incomparable and have never been accomplished by anybody else that I am aware of. Moments when, in your rush to accomplish your objectives and make, you may have overlooked my counsel, but I understand your pride, and your aspirations came true. However, I implore you to realize that this path does not actually lead to prosperity, or it's critical to reject pride and ignorance in favor of pleasure, happiness, and to look for knowledge, as it serves as the cornerstone for all truly outstanding endeavors. Child carefully considers what I say and heeds my guidance. Only then will you acquire the knowledge I need to handle the challenges of life. I understand the difficulties you face and the burdens you bear, but don't worry, you are never by yourself. Always here for you on your own. I understand that there may be moments when attempted to identify simple solutions or fast answers for your issues. However, I wish to caution you, the difficulties in your life, my kid, require more than just temporary solutions. The secret to solving every challenge is knowledge and humility. Concentrate your endeavors to cultivate these qualities, since they serve as the cornerstones for your actual achievement. And finally, be happy and keep in mind that success is a path that you should enjoy each day. Although development occasionally appears sluggish, it's crucial to pause, reflect, and to achieve your goals, you might need to adjust your plans. However, be cautious when doing so. Can mislead you. They want you to believe you are an expert and that there is nothing more for you to learn. This is far. There is always something fresh to learn from the truth. Challenge when it comes to the truth. Remain hopeful and persistent, and never forget that I will always be at your side. And never giving up on my assistance. You may always rely on my advice. With me by your side, you can find the correct path and ensure that everything turns out for you. The greatest assurance that following this route will lead to magnificent locations and help you overcome challenges and tough issues. Kindly pay attention to my request and don't ignore me. I'm here, and I want to use everything I have to touch your spirit today. I have been at your side with words of affection and dedication, expressing my love for you. Sighed through every joyful and sorrowful occasion, observing each as I follow your every step. Make sure you are aware that my concern for you has not lessened with every load you shoulder. Having rejected me today, I ask that you allow me to remain in your heart and give me complete access to your life, and I will make it a happy, peaceful one. And gift allow me to be your secure haven whenever you need it, regardless of how remote or how you've asked me questions a lot. In reality, my love for you overwhelms you with life. Remains unchanged, and I'm patiently reaching out to you from the depths of I want to lead your heart. I want to be your lighthouse in the dark, and your enjoyment in moments of lightheartedness. I am aware that the worries of the world could create. I ask that you put our relationship behind you, but allow me the opportunity to fulfill your deepest desires. My presence has the power to improve your life and mend your deepest wounds, and provide you the tranquility you so desperately require in the midst of the difficulties you must handle your issues on your own. Contact me when overwhelmed, share your concerns with me, and seek my guidance on the decisions you need to make. Sure, I'm always there to assist from the moment the sun rises until the silence of the night, regardless of your size. Regardless of how awful you're, I'm willing to listen to you and forgive you for your faults. Thank you so much. Thank you, and be loved. Don't let regret or guilt prevent you from making a different decision, or prevent you from slipping into my arms. Grace is always my mercy knows no boundaries. I'm there, my love, ready to welcome you with open arms. I appreciate you taking the time. After reading this, my kid, consider what's about to happen. Don't be scared to let me into your heart that wants to offer you the finest life imaginable, but it can be frightening and appear to be too many issues to handle. But know that I'm here for you at all times. And I promise never to abandon you. Keep hoping, and I promise never to let go of your hand. I want to be there to guide you through difficult moments, a portion of your existence, allowing me to adorn each passionate meadow and romantic pathway. Please don't ignore the justice aspect of your life, my son or daughter. Pay attention to what I have to say, or pursue fleeting shallow pursuits to find happiness, as they will just disappoint you when things are tough. Please open your heart to me, and let my grace to transform you. There is joy and serenity in my embrace. Can discover enduring, genuine love, a love that surpasses expectations and never abandons you. Let me through the doors of your heart. I want to be your devoted buddy. You can rely on me to your stronghold and refuge, and you're feeling vulnerable. Don't allow errors from the cloud your past, present, or future, but never forget your journey and the steps you have to. Considering where you are now, your missteps don't diminish your value in my opinion. I'm always here to reach out to you. I'm waiting for you with open arms. I invite you to accept it and journey with me through faith, love, and hope. Take my hand and join me as I guide you through this decision, which I assure you will be the best you've ever made. Feel the profound blessings of my love and care when you reflect on the past and regret it. Take action right away. Don't wait around. Everything will work out in due course. Feel lost or filled with doubt, but keep going and try not to be depressed, since you are never alone, since I'm here to guide you and provide support along the journey. Hold your hand through thick and thin, and ignore what I'm saying, since it may not be audible to you in the calm, through the sage advice of individuals in your immediate vicinity. You will sense my presence whispering to your heart at peaceful moments when I feel close to you. Know that I adore you deeply, am always there for you, and I'm here, ready to show you my love. Pay attention to what I have to say about forgiveness, and among the hardships and the confusion of daily life, there are gifts and music you face, realizing that I'm standing right next to you and that you have my love and care. With all of my heart, a genuine, enduring love that is unwavering. That love makes me swear to do what's best for you at all times.